Welcome, guys. This is KLK Party Favors. Today I was getting ready to make a gift in these wire baskets we got last week. And I remember showing you guys how I lined it with the table runners. So I came up with an idea to dress it up even more, guys. So what I'm going to do is get my liner. This is a red little table runner here. And what I'm going to do is go around this basket. So I'm just going to take it all the way around. Just enough tape to hold the liner and to touch the wire basket. And just push the runner down in the basket. So sometimes I'm going to say liner and sometimes I'm going to say runner. So you all know that it's the same thing, okay? All right, so just keep going around here. So what I did was just put the excess of the liner on inside the basket. And I'm almost around to the place where I started. And I'm just going to overlap it just a little bit. The remainder of the liner, I'm just going to let it stay in the bottom like that. Okay, now I'm going to adjust my liner so that it is filling out the basket. This is my back side here. Okay, so this is our front. So now what I want to do in my overstock inventory, I have some of these chair sashes. This goes on a folding chair after you put the chair cover on it. Okay, this is kind of facing the back of the chair so that it looks pretty, you know, when you set up a table and chairs around it. So this is what you see from the back of each chair. So I have a lot of these, of course, in lots of colors. So I am going to take this chair sash and I'm going to take it, all right. Okay. So I am going to leave a little bit of the chair sash over the tape that I've put on the table runner so that it covers up, you know, all of my little mechanics at the top of the basket. Okay. So this is going to be the container ready to go. So all I have to do is stuff it with paper and put my contents in. I'm waiting on some items to come, so I'm not going to be able to complete it at this point. But I just want to give you an idea of things you can do with these baskets. This dresses it up really, really nice. And so I'm going to do one more here. And I won't hold you too long, okay? So this one here, I'm going to use one of these black rosette table runners. And I'll go ahead, since this is so small, I'll just go ahead and double up the runner. Just fold it in half. And I'll start in the back. And this is just regular Scotch tape, guys, that I'm using. Just put one part of the tape on the runner and the other part on the wire basket, okay? You want it to be touching the wire or the metal, whichever one you want to call it. To the back, put the SS table runner down inside the basket. Okay, so I'm going to just adjust it. Okay, this is the back. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to use the gold chair sash. And I am going to pull it toward me for a minute, guys, so I can stretch it over. Okay, so here is another beautiful basket that's just ready for some contents and ready to be gifted. It came out really, really nice. And the basket really is pretty by itself, but I just don't like the openings in it, okay? So this is going to be some of the ideas that I'm going to use with my gifts. And I think both of these wire baskets turned out really nice for some upscale gifts. All right, guys. So guys, I hope you like this little spin I've put on these containers, and I hope you use it to better design some of your baskets. All right, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.